In this video, we are going to solve x plus x square minus 1 times square root of x square minus 4 and divide by x square minus 3. This is equals to 2 over x square minus 3, and here we will find out the value of x, and x belongs to real number. Here in left hand side and right hand side, denominator part is x square minus 3 and here x square minus 3. Then we can say x square not equals to 3. Now, in left hand side and right hand side is x times plus x square minus 1 times square root of x square minus 4 divided by x square minus 3, and this is equals to 2 over x square minus 3, and common denominator is x square minus 3. So if we multiplied here x square minus 3 and divide by x square minus 3, then in left hand side x square minus 3, and in numerator x times x square minus 3 plus x square minus 1 times square root of x square minus 4, and this is equals to 2 over x square minus 3. Now if we multiplied both side x square minus 3, then this and this x square minus 3 and this x square minus 3 is cancelled out. So in left hand side this x is multiplied by x square and this x is multiplied by minus 3. Then you will get x power 3 minus 3 times x, and here plus x square minus 1 times plus x square minus 1 times square root of x square minus 4, and this is equals to right hand side is 2. Now if we take all the expression in same side, then x power 3 minus 3 times x, and this 2 if we take in left hand side, then this is minus 2 plus x square minus 1 times square root of x square minus 4, and this is equals to 0. Look carefully this expression only. This is a cubic equation. So x cube minus 3 times x minus 2. If we factorize this cubic, here x cube minus 3x is same as minus x minus 2 times x minus 2. Look carefully these two terms. If we take common x, then x cube divided by x, then we get x square minus x divided by x, then we get minus 1. And here if we take common minus 2, then x plus 1. Then here x times x square minus 1 is same as x square minus 1 square, and this is difference between two squares, that is x plus 1 times x minus 1. So if we replace this x square minus 1 is x plus 1 times x minus 1 minus 2 times x plus 1. Then here x plus 1 is common. If we take x plus 1 is common, then x times x minus 1 minus 2. Then here x plus 1 times x is multiplied by x, then you will get x square minus x is multiplied by 1, then we get x minus 2. Then here x plus 1 times x square minus x minus 2. This is quadratic equation. Here we will apply middle term split. Then minus x is same as x square, and this minus x is same as minus 2 times x plus x minus 2. Then here x plus 1 times x is common in these two terms, then here x minus 2, and here if we take common plus 1, because 1 is a factor of every number, so here 1 times x minus 2. Then x plus 1 times here x minus 2 is common. If we take x minus 2, then here x and here plus 1, then x plus 1. Now look carefully, x plus 1 times x plus 1, then we can say x plus 1 square times x minus 2. So factor of this cubic is x plus 1 square times x minus 2. Then here x plus 1 square times x minus 2 plus x square minus 1 times square root of x square minus 4, and this is equals to 0. X plus 1 whole square is same as x plus 1 times x plus 1 times x minus 2 plus x square minus 1. X square minus 1 is same as x square minus 1 square. This is difference between two squares is x plus 1 times x minus 1. If we apply this rule here, then we can say x plus 1 times x minus 1. And here x square minus 4 is same as 2 square. This is also difference between two squares. This is same as x plus 2 times x minus 2. Then here inside the bracket, inside the square root, x square minus 4 is same as x plus 2 times x minus 2. And this is equals to 0. Now, we know that a is same as square root of a times square root of a. If we apply this rule here, this x plus 1 times x plus 1 is same, and x minus 2 is same as square root of x minus 2 times square root of x minus 2 plus x plus 1 times x minus 1. And here if we apply this rule, square root of a times b is equals to square root of a times square root of b, then here we can say square root of x plus 2 times square root of x minus 2, and this is equals to 0. Now look carefully, x plus 1 and here x plus 1 and x square root of x minus 2 and here square root of x minus 2. This expression is common in left hand side. If we take these expression is common, then in left hand side x plus 1 times square root of x minus 2 is multiplied by x plus 1 times square root of x minus 2, x plus 1 times square root of x minus 2, and minus, here plus this expression and this expression is common, then x minus 1 times square root of x plus 2, x minus 1 times square root of x plus 2, and this is equals to 0. Now here product of three expressions, this is equals to 0. Either we can say x plus 1, this is equals to 0, square root of x minus 2, this is equals to 0, or x plus 1 times square root of x minus 2 plus x minus 1 times square root of x plus 2, this is equals to 0. Here we can say x is equals to minus 1. But look carefully, the given expression is this. If this x is replaced by minus 1, then minus 1 square is 1 and 1 minus 4 is minus 3. So here is inside the square root is minus 3. This is not real number. So here x is equals to minus 1 is rejected, because here we will talk about only real solutions. Now if we take square both sides, then x minus 2, this is equals to 0, then x is equals to 2. Now here if we take square both sides, then x minus 2, this is equals to 0, then value of x is equals to 2. If we put this x is equals to 2 in given equation, then this value of x is equals to 2 is satisfied. So this is our solution. Now solve this case. This is same as x plus 1 times square root of x minus 2, and this expression if we take in right hand side, then there this is minus times x minus 1 times square root of x plus 2. If we take square both sides, then here is square and here is square. Now here we will apply this rule, a times b bracket power m, this is equals to a power m times b power m. If we apply this rule here, then we can say x plus 1 whole square square root of x minus 2 whole square. And this is equals to, we know that minus a square is same as a square. So here minus times this expression is square. So this minus is neglect and this minus is become positive. So here we can say x minus 1 whole square is square root of x plus 2 whole square. Then in left hand side this square root is cancelled out by this square and this square root is cancelled out by this square. Then x plus 1 whole square times x minus 2, and this is equals to x minus 1 whole square times x plus 2. In left hand side x plus 1 whole square times x minus 2, and this is equals to x minus 1 whole square times x plus 2. Now here x plus 1 whole square, we know that x plus 1 whole square is same as x square plus 2 times x plus 1 times x minus 2, and this is equals to x minus 1 whole square is x square plus 1 minus 2 times x plus 2. Then this x square is multiplied by x minus 2 plus 2 times x is multiplied by x minus 2 plus 1 is multiplied by x minus 2, and this is equals to x square is multiplied by x plus 2 plus 1 is multiplied by x plus 2 minus 2 times x is multiplied by x plus 2. Then here x square is multiplied by x, then we get x power 3 minus x square is multiplied by 2, then we get 2 times x square plus 2 times x is multiplied by x, then we get 2 times x square, and 2 times x is multiplied by 2, then we get minus 4 times x plus this 1 is multiplied by x minus 2, then number is not changed because 1 is a multiplicative identity, and if any number is multiplied by 1 then number is not changed. So here 1 times x minus 2 is same as x minus 2, and this is equals to x square is multiplied by x, then we get x power 3, and this x square is multiplied by 2, then we get 2 times x square plus 1 is multiplied by any number, then number is not changed. So here x plus 2 minus 2 times x is multiplied by x, then we get minus 2 times x power 2. Here power is 2 minus 2 times x is multiplied by 2, then we get minus 4 times x. Here minus 4 times x. Now power 3, this x power 3 and this x power 3 is cancelled out. Minus 2 times x square and this is plus 2 times x square is cancelled out. And here 2 times x square and this is minus 2 times x square is cancelled out. Here minus 4 times x and here minus 4 times x is cancelled out, and this x is cancelled out. Then here in left hand side minus 2 and right hand side is 2. This is not possible. It means here no real x. So here x is equals to 2 is only solution of this equation. I hope students you enjoy this video. See you in the next video. Till then take care and bye bye.